Namaskar. Welcome to Momo's Kitchen. So today we are going to make pizza, and that too Domino style cheesy brust pizza at home. Yes, at home. And without oven, in kadhai, cheesy brust pizza just right for you. For this recipe, we need 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil. You can add olive oil, it gives a very good flavor, or white oil. Now I'm adding 1 cup of curd or dahi to my mixture and mix well. Now I'm dusting little maida on my kitchen counter and pouring my mixture here to knead it well. जितना ज़्यादा आप इसको गूंदोगे आटे मैदे को उतना ज़्यादा डो सॉफ्ट और फ्लफी बनेगा. I request my viewers, please do watch the full video as it will be a little bit longer, but I am going to show you the perfect dough making, pizza dough making here. The secret of pizza dough making is that you have to knead it very well, 10 to 15 minutes, just knead it like this. And it will be a sticky consistency, see, like sticky atta. So you apply oil here and knead it. By the meantime, I request my viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon for notification and like, comment, and please don't forget to share with your friends. Sorry, I just forgot wanting to show you that I have applied here some oregano and some Italian dry herbs. Again, I'm applying it to show you. No problem, you can add now too and just mix it well. Now I have kneaded my maida for about 15 minutes and now I'm adding oil, 1 tablespoon of oil into the bowl where I'm going to keep this for rest, and I'll cover it and rest it for 1 hour as it's a summer time. If it's winter, you need more. Now after an hour, see, my dough has been risen. Now I'm going to give a big punch to release the air from here and again knead it well and rest it for half an hour. In summertime it rises easily within an hour, but in winter it takes a little bit longer time, so you have to keep it in a warmer place. In the meantime, I'm going to arrange my baking dish. You can take any plate, or now here I'm taking 1 cake tin, which the detachable cake tin, and a pie tin, and I'm going to grease it here with butter. I'm showing this pizza for those who do not have a pizza tin. For them, I'll grease both the tins here, and now I'll heat my kadhai here where I'm going to bake and put a stand into it and cover it and preheat this kadhai for 15 minutes. This is a homemade pizza sauce. If you want this recipe, you can click to my Facebook page. The link is in the description box. Please do check there. Now after half an hour it rises again. Again I'm going to knead it with a little bit of maida sprinkling and cut into pieces according to my cake tin size. I'm going to roll it. Normally in Pizza Hut or in Domino's they roll this maida in bhutte ka atta. So you can take, if you have bhutte ka atta, you can do with that. If you don't have, just do as I'm doing. Now I'm making this roti and I'm placing it on the tin properly, and this is a homemade cheese spread I'm spreading here. If you don't have, then you can use cheese spread here, and some mozzarella cheese I'm going to spread on top. Now I'm going to cover this with another roll of roti so that the cheese doesn't come out, and press it properly. As we are making cheesy brust pizza, so we need 2 layers of roti here, and now I'm covering my second roti properly so that the cheese doesn't come out, and I'm applying butter and pricking with a fork so that our pizza doesn't rise up. Now I'm applying my homemade cheese spread here, and some chicken pieces, some onions, some bell peppers, red and green bell peppers, some jalapenos. If you have olives, you can add that. Italian herbs, some oregano, some cheese, whatever you like, you can apply here. Now I'm going to cover it with some Italian herbs, some dried basil, some chili flakes, and loads of cheese. By the time, if you have forgotten to subscribe my channel, please do it right now. I'm waiting for your subscription and your like and your comment. Now I'm applying butter on the side so that while baking it doesn't dry, the side doesn't dry up. Now I'm preparing the second one too. I remind my viewers that I have a Bengali channel too. The link is given in the description box and in the I button. Please do check if you like, subscribe, share and like. And now I'm ready, and it will go in the kadhai, preheated kadhai, and I'll cover it and I'll cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Do check once in between. Just 15-17 minutes. So, wow, see, the cheese is melting beautiful, and see the inside one. Lovely. The cheese is melting also. The cheesy burst pizza is ready to serve. I cannot wait. Bye bye. Till then, enjoy, and do let me know in the comment section